Hello guys, this is Mike and this is the weekly Forex forecast or update, and we're looking at the Euro-NZD, Eurocad, Cadchf and the Nzdjpy currency pairs. But before we get into that, let's take a look at our product. This is a premium Forex signal service, the Micron premium Forex signal service, which goes for $200 monthly. Now, what we offer in this signal service are highly profitable trading signals that can take your trading to the highest possible level, the highest profitable level you can ever think of, right? And you can check this channel, the YouTube channel, to see a review of the last 1 month of this premium Forex signal service for yourself and see how profitable it has been. Now you can join us by copying my direct Telegram contact in the description below. Copy it, put it in your browser and chat me up, and let's talk about you coming on board. Alright, now to the business of the day, to Euro-NZD. Now I think Euro-NZD is I think Eurnzd really is coming closer to our zone of interest, so to say, and that is the 1.75412 and the 1.75134 zones. The market is coming into both of those zones. Now, if we see the market come into any of these zones and give us a bullish day close above, then we can look forward to a buy. Yes, we can look forward to a buy. And but if we see the market push, if we see the market go into this opposite direction, if we see the market push up and come into the 1.79171 zone and give us a bearish day close below that zone, then we can look for sales in that kind of zone. But of course, if we also see the market, we can also see price push as high as the 1.08148 area, and give us a bearish day close below that zone. Then we can look for sales into the 1.79171 zone or even lower than that. So that is what I'll be expecting for the Euro-NZD going forward. Is it a bearish or bullish market? Well, currently it looks like it's in a range. We've seen this, we've seen the market push this high, we've seen the market come back into that zone and reject again. It looks like a range. So in my opinion, a bullish or bearish expectation will play out well in this kind of market, even though it looks like we've been seeing bullish moves. We've seen progress, we've been seeing bullish progress in the market. Yes, it is as though we've been seeing bullish progress in the market, but judging by the current rhythm of the market, so to say, we're seeing something like a range, which means that a bearish or bullish expectation would work out well. Now we're moving on to the next one, the Eurocad. Now Eurocad is really playing well, and I'm really proud of myself for this, because right here at this point on the 23rd of April, I made an analysis right on this channel. You can check it out, and I told you to expect a bullish move from this point into this 1.48735 zone. Now let's see how many pips that will be. Okay, that would be a 253 pip move. Currently it has done 170 pip plus move out of 250 pip move, out of an expected 250 pip move. So I think we've done quite well, and I give myself some kudos for that call, right? But going forward, yeah, we shouldn't, get too excited. Going forward, what I would expect is that if the market actually meets my prediction and comes into the zone, as I, highlighted here, and gives us, and it comes into the zone, that's the 1.48735 zone, and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I would expect the market to drop off, from there. But if the market doesn't do that, the market unfortunately doesn't get to our expectation and comes, back into this zone, this 1.46081 zone, and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I will expect some bullish moves from that point. Now, is the market a bearish or a bullish market? It currently looks like a range, so it's another range. It's another ranging market, in my opinion. Currently, right, it's actually bullish on the longer term. When I say bullish, well, judging from this point, I'll call it bullish. That's from, I hope you can see my mouse. Judging from this point, I would call it a bullish market. I think that's about September 2022. Between April and September 2022, I'll call it a bullish market, but currently it's in a ranging, it's giving us a ranging rhythm, or yeah, it's giving us a ranging vibe, so to say, right now. So, which means that a buy or a sell expectation should work out well. Either case, it should work out well for Eurocard. So that's what we're looking out for Eurocard for the new week. Simple and straightforward. So to card CHF, what does card CHF have for us? Card CHF, now the same prediction or expectation that I had earlier, that if the market pushes into this, it's the same idea that we had earlier. If the market pushes into the 0.67469 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then we should expect a sell-off. I would expect a massive sell-off, and the reason is simple. The CAD CHF trade has been a very bearish market for a long time, right? We've seen from this point the market has been really bearish, and I think it came out of a range and went bearish. Yeah, it came out of a very long range. It was a bearish market, gave a very long range, and it continued bearish. And yeah, so that's what I would be expecting for the CAD CHF currency pair. But if we see the market push, okay, let me show you this. If we see the market push higher, comes closer to that zone, but does not get into that zone and comes back into these previous zones, into any of these previous zones, that's the 0.66031 or the 0.65971 zones, and gives us a bullish day close above those zones, I would expect a bullish move, right? I would expect a bullish move, but because it's a very bearish momentum, I wouldn't expect anything extra. I wouldn't expect anything too much, right? So I would just, look out for a little bullish move from that point, before expecting the market to continue downwards. That's what I would be expecting. Yeah, that's what I'll be expecting. But if the market, does any of these scenarios, I'll be watching out for them. And then the market also falls off from where it currently is into these zones. That's the 0.66031 and the 0.65971 zones, and gives us a bullish day close above. It's also the same expectation, a little bullish move before the continuation of the bearish momentum. That's what I'll be looking out for. Now for Nzdjpy. Now Nzdjpy. What should we expect from Nzdjpy? But this is the monthly time frame, and we can see without a shadow of a doubt that this is a bullish market. It is clear, judging from this point. What year was that? That was 2020. As far back as 2020, the month of March 2020. Yes, I think that's March. The month of March 2020, this market has started, pushing bullish. So that should let you know that it's a very bullish market. So what should we expect? Well, the expectation is quite simple. From what we can see, the next resistance is at the 97.694 area. That's where the next resistance is. Quite far off, but with a very good momentum, bullish momentum in the market, that's not too far off. The 97.694 zone. So if we get the market coming to that zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then we should expect some sell, right? Should expect some sell because this is a very bullish market and you don't want to overstay your welcome. But of course, markets definitely have retracements, and there are even sells in bullish markets. So we should expect some sell from that zone. If we have the market move, if we have price come into that zone and give us a bearish day close below that zone, we should expect some sells rather. But if we don't have that, if what we get is the market returning back into this 94.024 zone and give us a bullish day close above that zone, if the market gives us a bullish day close above that zone, we should also expect a bullish move. And also, similarly, if the market comes into the 93.342 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then we should also expect the same bullish momentum. This is a bullish market, so any opportunity to buy at reasonable zones, at significant zones, are really welcome. So that is what I'll be expecting for Nzdjpy. And to wrap this up, let me introduce you to our product, the Mycan Premium Forex Signal Service that goes for $200 monthly. It will transform your trading for the best. And this is not me bluffing or bragging, but it's just the fact, right? We have the evidence, and and it only, gets better. So what you should do is copy my direct link in the description below, my direct Telegram link. Copy that link, chat me up. Copy the link, put it in your browser, chat me up, and let's talk about how we can do things going forward, how you can come on board and be part of what we do. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching.